Question number 27. Mr. Torre bought a jacket at 20% discount. If the original price of the jacket was 1,200, how much did he pay? A, 1,000, B, 1,200, C, 1,050, and D, 1,150. So, basically, if you're talking about this, discount, percent, and sa rate, kunin lang muna natin yung mga given. We have 20% discount and the original price, which is 1,250. Take note that the 20% must be converted into decimal. That's 0.20. Then we're going to find the discount amount. So discount is equal to 20% of 1,250. Ganun lang kadali. Multiply lang natin, but you need to convert 20% into decimal. That's 0.20. Then multiply natin sa 1,250. That is equal to 250. Second step is to get the original price or subtract the discount from the original price. Ang original price natin ay 1,250 minus 250. Therefore, 1,000 ang binayaran ni Mr. Torre. Letter A tayo sa part na to. Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.